Mary was in the garden, and so Gabriel appeared to her. Dear Mary, you have found favor with God. You will bring forth a son. Son? His name will be Jesus. He will be called Wonderful, Counselor, Almighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. In all those days, when all the world will be censored by Caesar Augustus. Anyway, Mary and Joseph, her husband, walked all the way to Bethlehem. And she brought forth his firstborn son, and laid him in a manger for the soul of the end. Then there were wise men in the east. Then there were shepherds in the east, flying the field. He watched over their flock by night, and lo, the angel of the Lord came upon them. His word was everywhere. They were afraid. The angel said, Fear not, for behold, I bring you tidings of great joy, a message for the people of the world. One who was born this day in the city of David, the Savior, Christ the Lord. There shall be a sign unto you. You will find Abraham sowing close lying in the manger. With the angel, multitudes of the heavens above praising God, and saying, Glory to God in the highest, and earth peace to the world of all people. Then there were wise men in the east saying, Where is he who is born the Son of Man? We have seen the star in the east, and are here to worship him. Wise men followed the star in the east. They saw Mary and Joseph, the manger. They bowed down and worshipped him. Brought gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And being warned that he should not return to Herod, they departed another way. The shepherds also departed, glorifying God with all they had heard and seen. Mary pondered all these things in her heart. Gently a king is born, for shepherds are subject and draw for a throne. Tonight a king is born. Gently a king is born, for shepherds are subject and draw for a throne. Tonight a king is born.